Hi guys, on this video I'm going to teach you guys how to mint your Avive Voyage. But before I do that, I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, click on notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Let's go straight to the business. So I believe you all have downloaded your MetaMask, but you have not downloaded your MetaMask. Download your MetaMask now and set it up. There is a video on how to set your MetaMask up. So when you log into your MetaMask, you make sure that your dashboard is in Arbitrum 1. Make sure that your dashboard is in Arbitrum 1. So once you click on Arbitrum 1, it will show you this page. Then you copy Avive Voyage link. I'm going to paste it on the description box or in the comment section. Now you click on this MetaMask browser. On this MetaMask browser and paste your link. So after pasting your link, click on enter on your dashboard and it will open. Let me do mine so you see. Okay, I have opened the link, and as you can see, my wallet is connected. But if you open yours and your own is not connected or you are not logged in, click on this place now. If you click on it, you see login. All right, but because I have logged in, that's why my own is showing like this. But if I have not logged in, once you click there, you see login or sign. See, my own is showing sign out because I've already signed in. So if your own is not signed in, make sure you sign in. So after signing in, you connect your wallet. So I've connected my wallet now. So the next thing to do is to click on apply. Click on this apply. Click there. So I'm going to click there now. So it has bring me to this page where they say you should fill in this form, the country, district, city, and all that. So I'm going to be doing all this now. I'm going to select my country. I am in Nigeria, so any country that you are, select it. I'm looking for my country now. There's nowhere you can search for it. There's no way you can type and search for it. You just be scrolling to until you see your country. So my district is Federal Capital Territory. City is Abuja. So after that, you click on confirm. Click on confirm. So on this staking side is optional. Is either they say do not want to stake. Is either you click you don't want to stake or you stake, which you can stake minimum of $0.2 or whatever that you want. But in this case, I'm not going to stake. So I'll be clicking on do not want to stake. So I'll click there. So on the next column, they say you should add in your social media handles, the link. And as you can see, it is optional. It is optional. So it's either you put your Telegram link, your Twitter link, or your Discord link. So I'm going to paste my Twitter link. All right. So if you are doing it, anyone that you like, you can paste it there. But for me, I'm pasting my Twitter link. All right. Paste my Twitter link. I've pasted it. So in this description, they say you should describe yourself, self-description. So you are going to type here what you like about Avive, why you want to join them, or rather why you join them. You tell them your name, describe yourself and why you join Avive blockchain. So I'm going to type my own. So after that, you can click on submit. So that you click on submit, so you're going to click on sign in. You click on sign in. So it's verifying. So after that, it's going to tell you to confirm. So they're going to charge you some gas fee. So you click on confirm. All right. As you can see, it's saying transaction submitted. So you can see submit successful. They say you can share it to Twitter. If you like, you share it to Twitter. If you like, you don't share it to Twitter. So let me share it to Twitter. Got it. So I've shared it and I've come back to the same dashboard, to my MetaMask dashboard, and it said claim Avive points. Put in your data on chain. Please come back to claim your points after 5 minutes. Guys, it's up to 5 minutes now. I want to go and pick my points. Remember they said you should come back and pick your points in 5 minutes time. So you just click here and click on my Avive points. Click on your Avive points. It's going to open. Okay, it has opened. As you can see your points here. Remember that Avive profile, they gave us 10 points. So now the voyage is giving us 5 points. So you click there to claim your points. You're going to connect your wallets. So you sign in. Once you click on connect MetaMask, it will bring out this page and say you should sign in. You click on sign in. As you can see, I've successfully claimed my 5 points. See the 5 points that I claimed for voyage. See the 10 points that I claimed the other time. So that is how to claim your points. That's how to mint your Avive Voyage and claim your points. Now I'm going to teach you guys how to import your NFT to your MetaMask. All right. You know, when we did the Avive profile, we imported our NFT to our MetaMask. So we are going to import our NFT to our MetaMask. All you need to do is to go to your Avive app, log into your Avive app, and click on me. Click on me to open. As you can see, Avive profile NFT, PODF NFT, that is the voyage. So all you need to do is to copy this number that is here. You copy it out. All right, copy your own out. Once you copy your own out, you come to your MetaMask, click on this NFT. Once you click on it, you're going to click on import NFT. See import NFT, you click on it. So see address. I'm going to paste the address that you use on the description box or in the comment section. So, and the ID, enter the collectible ID. The ID is that ID of your NFT in your Avive app. All right. So I'm going to copy it now. I've pasted it. So you click on import. So let's import it and see what's 192,846. 192. Okay, there was a mistake. 192,846 and I went and wrote 864. So let's import it now and see what will happen. As you can see, I have imported it. If you want to see your NFT, you click on this arrow to check the NFT that you imported. As you can see the NFT, the Voyage NFT, and see the Avive profile NFT. I have imported it now. So try and do your own. It's very simple. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.